speech now so we can start the proceedings today. Please take your seats. Thank you very much for coming tonight. On behalf of India New England, I would like to welcome you all. My name is Upendra Mishra and I am the publisher of India New England. It's a very special year for us. Tonight, we are celebrating the 10th anniversary of the Women of the Year, during which we have honored 180 women in various fields. And 9 of them have been crowned Women of the Year. We are very pleased that 4 of them are here with us tonight. So please give a big hand of applause to Nandita Bakshi, our first Woman of the Year in 2006. Nandita, where are you? Our first Woman of the Year. Thank you for coming. She just came in here tonight and then again tomorrow morning she is flying out of Boston. Thank you. Then we have Vishnu Maya Pariyar. She was supposed to be here. I hope she is here. Vishnu. She has not arrived yet. Savita Singh. Is she here? Not yet. And then we have Dr. Manju Seth. Please can you stand up? She was our Woman of the Year last year. And tonight, 20 more will join the ranks of highly accomplished women. On the occasion of the 10th anniversary, we have followed up with our All Women of the Year. And this year, we are starting a new tradition of inviting previous year's Women of the Year to share her experience with the audience. But before we do that, and we honor 20 distinguished women, I would like to dedicate this 10th anniversary celebration to one very special woman, Queen Chudala. How many of you have heard about Queen Chudala? Is there anyone who has heard about Queen Chudala in this audience? Anyone? Read, heard? No? Sure. According to me, I think she is the wisest and probably the least known figure in Indian mythology. Her story is narrated in Yog Vasishtha. Whenever I get down, I feel sad, I always reach out to Yog Vasishtha. And Yog Vasishtha has hundreds of stories. And in Yog Vasishtha, my favorite story is Chudala, of Chudala. So I thought I will share with you very briefly tonight because she has meant a lot to me. In a nutshell, this beautiful queen is abandoned by her husband, King Shikhadwaj. He renounces his kingdom and runs away to seek peace in the jungles. Drawing upon her wisdom and inner strength, Chudala assumes all his responsibilities and rules the kingdom for many years very successfully. And then she decides to find him in the jungles and show him that he was wasting his time in the jungles and that true happiness and peace lies in carrying out our duties and in abandoning our ego. After her advice, King Shikhadwaj becomes the enlightened and returns to his kingdom and becomes the most powerful king of his time. I know there are many Chudalas in this audience tonight. I sincerely wish all men to find their own Chudalas. Pay attention to their wisdom and listen to their advice. And I also wish all women to find their own dreams and run after them. Unfortunately, women bear a disproportionate weight of the world's poverty. The women represent 70% of the world's poor, according to Trickle Up. And it is a stunning fact that while women perform 66% of the world's work and produce 50% of the food of the world, they only earn 10% of the income and own only 1% of the land. But this unfortunate situation can only be reversed when women take charge, control of their own destiny, and follow their own dreams. Myths and facts all over the world, in all continents, are full of stories like Chudalas, from ancient times to today. And India New Land is very proud to awaken and empower Chudala every year inside you. Now, I would like to thank some key people and organizations who have helped us put together this great event. First of all, I would like to thank the audience, because if you are not here, we could have never held this event. And also those people who took their time to nominate so many people. We had hundreds of nominations, and it was very difficult for our editorial team to pick 20 out of them. And then I think that it must have been very, very difficult for our judges to pick one of them Women of the Year. So I really sympathize a lot tonight with our committee of judges. I would also like to thank Lombardo's, the beautiful facility we're sitting here today. And without, again, their help and their offer to host our event, again, it would have been very difficult for us to host this Women of the Year event. Masala Art, Vinod and Saurabh Kapoor, please can you stand up? Where are you? Vinod? You may be in the kitchen or somewhere, right? So anyway, Vinod, thank you very much. Saurabh, thank you very much. Sika, thank you very much for this being part of this event. And I hope you guys will like the foods, and I hope you like the appetizers. Alankar and Shobha Sastry. You know, Shobha is absolutely amazing woman. I think she must have been since, I don't know, 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the morning to do all the decorations here. I think she must be sleeping at this time. So anyway, just let us all give a big hand of applause to Shobha. Then Boston Sound and Light Company and DJ Yokes, thank you very much. Beauty Mazumdar Photography, taking all our pictures tonight. And definitely Indian Emblem team, Martin, Erin, Terry, and everybody else. Thank you very much. And our live band, Dincheck. Thank you, you guys are playing great. And now, I would like to give a very special thanks to the Boston Group and Mr. Subbu Goda. For the last 3 years, Subbu had made this commitment to support Women of the Year. And every year, it gave us so much confidence that we could go ahead and do this program without worrying about finances, without worrying about payments. And every year, 2 or 3 months before we started planning this program, we will meet in this beautiful hotel in Newton on Mass Pike, and he will come and he'll buy me a drink and give me a check for the event. So Subbu, thank you very much. I have really addressed Subbu as just Subbu. I always call him Subbu Bhai. And I treat him as my younger brother. So Subbu, please can you come here? And please do give a big hand of applause because he has been really big supporter of this event and this travel. So,
tell a joke, oh God. So I gotta tell the joke what happened on the way out, the way here. Only thing I heard about the joke today is the Obama going to win again. That's a joke or not. And the Supreme Court finally did their job, you know. So we thought the Roberts were not going to do it, but he got the guts to show, even though Republicans, pardon the Republicans who are in the House. But looks like he did his job anyway. But I met Upender for a long time back, but we've been friends. But for the last 3 years, I've been supporting the thing. When I met him last 3 years back, he said, I need a support for 3 years. I said, fine, no problem. Then there's a good news and bad news. I don't know what is that you guys want to hear first, you know. You want good news or bad news?
Good news.
Bad news. Bad news is you have stuck with me for next 3 more years.
Woo!
So the good news is that I'll be supporting the event, and it's always a pleasure. It's a great cause to support the women, and depending upon seeing all the excellent resumes and the life work what has been presented within the candidates, I think we're on the right track. Maybe the numbers show here not to the people, but the excitement was much on Facebook than here, I think, you know. We'll rack it a notch by a little later. Maybe drinks will be on the house, then everything will be worked out, you know. But so not only that I'll be supporting, I want to bring a partner in crime to help me out in supporting it. And that person is none other than our beloved star of the show last year. And since then, she elevated the Woman of the Year to the highest level it can be. Manju also will be participating with me to support. Manju, please. Manju will spare her good words for later on. She want to give a message later on why she is supporting. Okay. But she will be. Thank you.
Now I would like to mention one person who is here, Bill Gunning. Is Bill here? Bill, can you please stand up? He's there in the corner. He was the first employee of the Mishra Group. The very first person who started working with me many years ago. And he was also the first guy who designed the first issue of India and England newspaper. So Bill, thank you very much for coming. And I hope this will be my last presence here on the stage. But before that, I want to leave all of you guys in a good hands of Jyoti Nagia. Jyoti, please. Come here. After 7 years with India and England, the Indus Business Journal, playing a very critical role